The neuroendocrine mechanisms underlying attachment styles reveal profound connections between emotional patterns and biological foundations. Distinct attachment types correspond to unique hormonal secretion patterns and neural activation characteristics. Secure attachment demonstrates an ideal neuroendocrine equilibrium. Individuals with this style exhibit steady oxytocin release and stable cortisol levels during intimate interactions. Functional MRI reveals coordinated functional connectivity between their prefrontal cortex and amygdala, with physiological recovery after conflict occurring 2.5 times faster than in non-secure individuals. Anxious attachment is characterized by hormonal fluctuations. Baseline oxytocin levels are elevated but exhibit significant variability, with cortisol surging 62% during intimate separation. Brain imaging studies indicate hyperactivity in the anterior insula, reflecting heightened vigilance toward emotional cues. Avoidant attachment exhibits inhibitory neural patterns. Weaker oxytocin receptor gene expression is accompanied by abnormally heightened vasopressin activity during intimate contact. These individuals show insufficient prefrontal cortex activation during emotional processing, coupled with a 35% increase in amygdala activity. Disorganized attachment reveals systemic dysregulation. It involves concurrent oxytocin secretion disorders and H-axis dysfunction, manifesting as contradictory autonomic nervous system responses in intimate scenarios. The coefficient of variation in neuroendocrine markers for this group is 3.8 times higher than that of the secure type. Early experiences shape neuroendocrine set points. The quality of infant care directly influences oxytocin receptor distribution, and HPA-axis regulation patterns formed in the first 2 years of life persist into adulthood. This biological programming exhibits transgenerational transmission characteristics. Intervention. Training can remodel neural pathways. After 12 weeks of mindful intimacy practice, cortisol arousal responses normalized in anxious individuals, while oxytocin release increased by 28% in avoidant individuals. Neuroplasticity offers hope for attachment repair. Understanding these mechanisms holds liberating significance. Recognizing the biological foundations underlying attachment patterns allows us to view our emotional responses through a more scientific lens, achieving neuroendocrine rebalancing through targeted training.